Lately, a lot of you have been asking me about mark price and last price and what is the difference between them. Whenever we do anything in Binance, like if we set a take profit or a stop loss or even limit orders, they have two prices for us. The first one is the mark price and then the last price, and they ask us to choose between them. So, which one should you choose and what is the difference between both the prices? In this video, I will tell you about all of those things. So make sure you watch this all the way to the end. Hi, my name is Daksh and this is Crypto's Monopoly. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is last price and mark price. As you can see in this Binance trading platform, whenever we set a limit order, like whichever limit order it is, they give us an option to choose between the last price and the mark price. Or let us say if we set a take profit, even there they ask us to choose between the last price and the mark price. So which one should you choose? The right price to choose is mark price, but let us first understand what is the difference between both the prices. The last price, as the name tells us, is the last traded price. Like here you can see in the order book, the price over here is the last traded price and that is the last price. Like which is the latest price at which a trade has happened. Over here you can see the latest price in this order book is $56,083. So this will be the last price. Now what about mark price? Now mark price is very different from the last price, and the reason is there is a lot of manipulation in different kind of market. Like you must have seen once, like recently a few weeks back, Bitcoin dropped to around 5,000 level in one of the exchanges, and that was due to some kind of manipulation. So to stop that kind of manipulation, what Binance does is it uses the funding rate and then price from different exchanges like the Coinbase and the Kraken, KuCoin and different exchanges, then make a basket of it and then derive a rate from it. A rate which will not be manipulated just by Binance to just provide security to their traders who are using Binance trading platform. So that price is called as mark price. So whenever you set a take profit or stop loss, I will always suggest you to use mark price because it is not manipulated by any exchanges.